Hello, I'm Dr. Sam Grillo, President and founder of Ruby Reef. Today I'd like to tell you about copper-free water treatment HydroPlex. HydroPlex is a broad-spectrum water treatment that is effective for the control of most freshwater and marine parasites as well as bacterial and fungal infections. It is designed for use as a dip, especially for new arrivals and diseased fish, and for quarantine tanks or treating fish in hospital tanks. Before dosing, it is necessary to turn off UV sterilizers, remove carbon and similar filtration materials, and turn off protein skimmers in marine and reef tanks if you're using one in your hospital tank. HydroPlex is supplied in both dosing and cylinder bottles. For use in fresh or saltwater hospital quarantine tanks, add 2 ounces of HydroPlex per 5 gallons of fresh or salt water. A second dose could be added after a period of 24 hours and every 48 hours thereafter for up to 7 days. For use as a dip, add 1 ounce of HydroPlex per quart of fresh or salt water and immerse for 10 minutes. I will demonstrate how to use it as a dip for new arrivals. These fish were recently purchased and we're not going to run them through a quarantine tank. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to treat them in a HydroPlex dip in this container. Now what we have done with this container is marked off, very carefully measured 1 gallon, so we know how much HydroPlex to add. We gently add the fish, I hope. And now what I'll do, to help with the equilibration process, I'll take water directly from the aquarium that they will have as home soon and add it to the 1 gallon mark. That's 1 gallon of water. Now to use HydroPlex as a dip, you add 4 ounces, 1 ounce per quart, or 4 ounces per gallon. So I'm taking the cap off the dosing spout. I'm going to squeeze this until it gets to the 4 ounce mark. Now I'll just add this to the dip. We'll leave the fish here for 10 minutes.